Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. In this video, I'm gonna share about my layover in London. A very short layover of 21 hours. So we landed at London and the weather here is very cold and it was raining. We reached the hotel at around 3:56 a.m. and we are going to stay at Novotel Hotel. So this is my room. It is big and spacious and I'm pretty exhausted and all I wanna do is just hop on into the bed with my uniform because we had a very long flight of 13 hours and here are some to-do lists for this layover. So after a very short nap, I woke up, I get myself ready and now I'm ready to go out and explore. And so our first destination will be London Bridge, so let's go. So that's the London Bridge and this is the river. The water was not as clean as I was expecting and I really was not expecting this kind of water here in London. So let's have a closer look at the London Bridge. Let's get on the bridge, have a walk and look around. How beautiful, how big, how majestic is the London Bridge. I'm here on the bridge and it's very beautiful, but the bridge is not that big because it has only two lanes for the vehicle and two footpaths, one on the left and right for the pedestrian. But indeed it was a very beautiful bridge and a walk of art, and I feel like it is a castle on the bridge. You see the room, the windows, the door, the lighting and everything. It looks so royal and very authentic. So guys, that's all about the London Bridge. So now let's get to another destination, that is the Big Ben. The Big Ben is very tall and very huge and it looks so majestic, the texture and everything. I couldn't believe that it was made by humans. It was so beautiful and I couldn't believe that it was this tall. So now I'm here at the last destination for the layover, that is in the Hyde Park, on our way to Winter Wonderland. So let's find out what we have in the Winter Wonderland. That is Winter Wonderland and there are some few activities which we see from outside. So I hope it will be exciting and it will be fun. So let's go inside and find it out. What more do they have?
No, it's all plastic.
Guarda, c'è anche la Torre Eiffel.
So guys, these are the few things which I enjoyed during my layover in London, and I couldn't show you guys much because it was raining and it was freezing cold at the same time, and we have to get back to our hotel because the next day we have an early morning departure and we have to get some rest before the flight. And this is my first time making a video for the blog, and if you guys want to see more what I do during my layover, then please do support me by giving a like and subscribing to my channel. So after a lovely layover here in London, now it's time for us to fly back to our base, and now we're heading towards the airport. Finally, we're at the airport now, and this is the aircraft that I'm going to operate back to Hong Kong, and it's Boeing 777. And thank you guys for watching this video.